Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Moore, Vice President of Global Engagement and Patient Partnerships with Longevity Foundation in the U.S. Today, I'm honored to provide a few comments about the presentation made by Dr. Garcia-Roman on the EPICAL trial, which looked at the combination of anti-epidermal growth factor vaccination with afatinib in patients with EGFR-positive non-small cell lung cancer. This was a phase 1b single-arm study that looked at 23 patients with EGFR sensitizing mutations. In this study, the investigators reported no severe adverse events associated with vaccination. Additionally, they report a median progression-free survival of 17.4 months, and that median overall survival was not reached. Additionally, they see nice induction of anti-EGF antibodies, as well as a decrease in levels of epidermal growth factor and TGF-alpha in the serum. Finally, they conducted in vitro analyses in which they treated EGFR mutated cells with EGF as well as patient sera. In this case, they see a nice decrease in phosphorylation of EGFR, AKT, and ERK1/2, and this effect is durable and continues over time, suggesting that the combination of EGF vaccination with afatinib is effective in vitro. I have a few comments about this study. First, it's an important area of investigation. We would like to see the ability to harness the immune system in combination with TKIs to prevent emergence of drug resistance in the context of oncogene-driven non-small cell lung cancer. And this study builds on prior work conducted by investigators in Cuba, for example, where they looked at the Simivax EGF vaccine. An additional comment and caveat is that this is still an early study conducted in only 23 patients. An additional area of interest, given that there's growing emphasis on the utilization of tyrosine kinase inhibitors in earlier stage disease, would be to look at the effect of this combination in that setting. As we know, this study was performed in patients with late stage disease, stage 3 and stage 4. I also wonder about the applicability of this study in many parts of the world because osimertinib is becoming first line in many places. So this is a promising study. Again, we all would like to see more combinations that could help prevent emergence of TKI resistance. And so we'll want to continue to follow this study over time.